The first, and perhaps the most straightforward method, is to use the command prompt in Windows. Simply head over to the Windows search bar in the taskbar below and type CMD. In the results shown, click on the command prompt utility. This utility can look a bit daunting, but it can be quite useful if you know the right commands. To get the brand, model, and serial number details of the RAM sticks installed, type the following command and press enter. I have included the exact command in the description below. Once you hit enter, the command prompt should show you the details you requested for. In the device locator column, you can see that I have 2 RAM sticks installed in my laptop. The brand of both RAM sticks is Micron Technology, as can be seen in the manufacturer column. The part number column shows the exact model of both RAM sticks. You can see that the model of both RAM sticks is the same, which is how it should be ideally. On the far right column, you can see their unique serial numbers. The next method is to use a free and popular third-party application called CPU-Z. To download and install this utility, head over to its official website. I have included the link to this utility in the description below. Once installed, run the utility. With the utility running, head over to the SPD tab on top. Here, you should see a wealth of information regarding the RAM sticks installed on your PC. For starters, note that this utility shows the information of each RAM stick separately. If you have multiple RAM slots and multiple RAM sticks, you can browse between them using this drop-down menu under the memory slot selection field. For instance, here I see the details of the RAM inserted in slot number 1. I can change this by clicking on the drop-down menu and then selecting slot number 2. You can also see here that both slots have an 8GB DDR4 RAM stick installed, and they both belong to the Micron Technology brand. Their model numbers are shown in the part number field and the serial numbers are shown in the respective field. It's worth pointing out that if any of the slots selected from the drop-down menu show all the fields as blank, then that often means that the selected slot is not occupied. The beauty about using CPU-Z is that unlike with command prompt, you don't need to know or memorize all the codes for the different specs of your RAM or any other device. There are many reasons why you may want to check the brand and the model of the RAM sticks installed in your PC. For instance, if you're planning on expanding the memory in your PC, then it is often recommended that you get a new RAM stick that is the same make and model as the RAM sticks that are already installed in your PC. That way, you can avoid confusion regarding RAM specs or a mismatch. You may also want to know the RAM brand, model, and serial number in case you want to troubleshoot it or send it in for repairs. I hope this short tutorial addressed your concerns. If it did, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe.